We finally made it.
We finally made it to New York.
Let's walk a bit and then head back to rest.
It's so huge. Everything is giant.
It's too crowded here. Stay very close to us.
You two wait on this bench for just a minute.
Don't go anywhere. Peter, hold this bag for me.
You must keep it very safe.
Okay, I'll keep it very safe.
There's the wallet and the room card in here. Don't lose them.
Don't move. We'll be right back.
Peter, look over there. Something is dancing.
It's just a robot, but it looks really cool.
Don't go! Dad said we have to wait here.
I'm just looking for a second, Olivia.
Peter, no! Come back! Where are you going? Oh no! Where did it go? Olivia, where are you?
We're back. Olivia, where is Peter?
He followed a toy. I couldn't stop him.
Peter! Peter, my baby! Has anyone seen my son?
Calm down, honey. We will find him.
Mom. Dad. I'm sorry. Why is everyone moving so fast? Please help me. The room card. Dad said to go here if I got lost. I can do this. I have to be brave. Almost there, I can't be scared.
I made it back. Mom and Dad will come here.
Are you all right, young man? Why are you alone?
Avaganasua. I'm okay. I'm just going to my room.
Yeah? If you need help, tell me or the front desk.
I'll wait here. They will find me.
I'm so hungry, but I'll sleep for a bit.
He's only 8. He's holding my wife's bag.
We are broadcasting an alert across the system.
It's my fault. I shouldn't have let him carry the bag.
Why aren't they back yet? Did they forget me?
Maybe they are in the lobby. I have to find them.
Wait! The door closed! The card is still inside!
Open up! Help me, I'm locked out!
I have to get to the lobby. They must be there.
It smells good, and I'm so hungry. Is anyone here? I'll just borrow one. I'll pay it back later.
Hey, kid. What are you doing in this area?
I'm sorry. I'm lost and very hungry.
Get out! This is no place for children!
I messed up again. I'm making everything worse.
You again? Things don't seem to be going well.
I'm locked out and the chef yelled at me.
Come here, eat something, and calm down.
Thank you, ma'am. My name is Peter.
I am Belle. You were very brave to find your way back.
I should have listened to my sister, Olivia.
Come along, let's go to the lobby to find your family.
Let's check one more time. Maybe he made it back.
Please! My son is missing. His name is Peter.
No one has reported a boy by that name yet.
If he doesn't come back, I'll never forgive myself.
Mom! Dad! Olivia! I'm here!
Peter! Oh my God, Peter! Don't ever scare me like that again.
Thank you so much. You saved our family.
Boy, he's a smart boy. He found his own way here.
You dummy. You scared the life out of me.
I'm sorry. I kept the bag safe, but I got lost.
That was an expensive lesson, but thank God we're okay.
Eat something, kids. I was too worried to eat.
Just eating with everyone makes it taste the best. Even cold pizza tastes good now, right, Peter?
New rule. No one leaves each other's sight for more than 2 meters.
Not Jose. I promise to follow it strictly.
A trip we will never forget.
Tomorrow at the Statue of Liberty, we hold hands tight.
Our family is the best. Good night, New York.
Sleep well, my brave little warrior.
We almost lost the most precious thing we have.
This is going to be our biggest trip ever.
I'm going to explore every corner of the city.
I won't let you out of my reach ever again.
robot. Stay with me.
Don't leave me. I have the card right here.
Family is the safest harbor.
I will always lead the way for you.
I left Olivia alone. I was so bad.
You're not bad, you're just learning how to grow up.
Dad, I don't ever want to get lost again.
New York isn't scary if we go together.
Family first! Let's go!
I'm sorry, I almost lost you.
Peter is smart, Mom. He found his way back.
Yes, your brother is good, and so are you.
I promise I'll listen to Olivia more.
Pinky promise. If you follow a robot, I'm calling the cops.
This is the best part of New York.
Bravery is doing the right thing when you're scared.
She was very nice, even if she looked a bit scary at first.
There are always angels around us, even in strange places.
Everyone keeps one of these in their pocket.
I will never lose this.
Out! Don't wander in here! Don't wander in here!
He was just worried I'd ruin the food.
Were there a lot of cakes in there? Were there a lot of cakes in there?
They were bigger than you, Olivia. Larvia! Larvia!
All right, explorers, time for sleep.
Good night, sis. Thanks for waiting for me. Don't dream about robots anymore, big brother.
We learned how to be better parents here.
I'll never forget the moment I saw him by the elevator.
New York isn't like home.
I'll protect Olivia. No more worrying her. Central Park today, it's greener there.
Everyone gets a copy of our contact info.
Hurry up! I want to see the statue!
This This is so good, Dad. I'm all powered up.
Eat slowly. We have the whole day to explore.
The rule. Always hold hands, always in sight.
Look, Olivia, our bench from yesterday. It looks smaller today, doesn't it, Dad? So many robots, Mom, but I'm staying right here.
Good job, Peter. You've really grown up.
New York has peaceful places too.
Get closer, everyone. Big smiles.
Family first! When I grow up, I'm telling everyone you got lost.
And I'll tell them I bravely saved the whole family.
What matters is how we overcome the challenges.
We will always find each other.
Stay brave, Peter.
Thank you, New York. I love my family so much.
New York is most beautiful when we're all here.
This is the best script of my life.
We're the strongest team in the world!